If you are a parent shopping for a dresser, you want it to be safe for your kids. This dresser, as it comes from the store, falls on its face when all the drawers are pulled out. When the drawers are pulled out of a conventional dresser, the dresser can tip over. The furniture industry considers that a dresser passes the tip-over test if it can support 50 pounds of weight on one partially extended drawer. The only way to prevent tip-overs in the past was to use wall attachment kits. They have not been widely used because people didn't want to damage their walls, and renters don't want to lose their security deposit. Dressers no longer need to be attached to the wall. HinesLab, a California development company, has created the baseboard that extends farther than the shifted center of gravity to prevent the dresser from tipping. This same dresser with the KidSafe Baseboard has been tested with 240 pounds with no sign of tipping. This dresser with the KidSafe Baseboard can be repositioned without leaving holes in the wall. We sell an aftermarket baseboard for the IKEA mom chest. It takes about 10 minutes to install and can be easily removed later if desired. We invite furniture makers to contact us about licensing the KidSafe Baseboard and designing it into new dressers. Thank you.